TV gang. It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shy Money.
It's your video, nigga. You was jump in.
Okay, guys. Okay, we are back with another video, guys. So we haven't figured out the title, but in this video, I'm basically gonna say a couple of words, and I'm gonna give him a couple of words to say, and he's gonna try to pronounce them the best way that he can. Some of these words he cannot say, some he probably could say, who knows.
I can say all these words, but just my accent.
He can say all of them, but it's his accent that makes it sound like it's not.
Don't try to fight me.
What? Okay, guys, so without further ado,
make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff.
Hit that notification bell to notify when we post a video. We're about to get straight into this thing. Okay?
You ain't finna embarrass me. I can say all these words, so I don't know what you're talking about.
No, we cannot. Okay, first word is plural.
Huh?
The first word is.
So you gonna say the word and then I said after you? Cause if that's so, it's gonna be easy.
Really?
Come on, let's follow after what you say. You should have shown me the word and let me say it.
Dang. Okay. Okay, say the first word.
Huh?
Yeah, guys, we're gonna put the word at the bottom of right here so that way y'all see. But where we
Okay.
Let's just try to see it. Say plural.
Plural.
I got you. Now you know don't know how to say it the way I say it.
That's what I say. You say
okay, say it.
Plural.
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 It's not plural.
How does it say?
Plural.
Plural.
Yeah, use your tongue. Plural.
I'm saying plural, bro.
You said plural.
That's what you just said.
No, I said plural.
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 Plural. Say plur.
Plural.
Plur.
Plural. Plural. I'm saying the word plural. That's funny. I'm saying the word plural. Plural. Plural.
No, man, you said plural. Plural.
I'm not saying no plural.
That's just saying.
Plural.
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 Roll.
Plural.
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 It sounds like you got a mouthful of water shot. Plural. Plural. Say plural.
Plural.
Plur.
Plur.
Roll.
Roll.
Plural.
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 You have to use your tongue.
Plural.
Plural.
How you know how you use your tongue when talking?
Huh?
How you use your tongue to pronounce a word?
What do you mean?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Plural. Like plural.
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 I'm saying the right word, bro. What you mean? I'm saying plural.
Okay, we're gonna go to the next word because he cannot get this. This is funny. Plural. Plural. Okay. The next word is throat.
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 Throat. Bro, no, stop. We gotta post this, bro.
Throat. It's throat.
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 Yeah, right?
Yes. Come on.
Throat.
Not throat. Throat.
Throat.
Not throat. Throat.
Throat.
Throat.
Guys, I'm saying the word, right?
No, he not.
Throat. Throat.
Not throat. What is a throat?
This.
That is not throat. It's throat.
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 Like throw.
Throat.
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 Throat. I'm saying the word. What you mean?
No, you died. You said throat.
Throat.
Like a troll. You said throat.
Say it again. Say it again.
Throat.
Throat.
Yes. Ow.
Throat.
No.
I'm done.
Wait, I always say
Throat.
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 Say it again.
Throat.
Throat.
Throat. Oh my god.
Okay, we're going to the next. This is funny. Say thick.
Tick.
Thick.
Thick.
Not a tick.
That's what you said, tick. What you mean with
No,
that?
you saying tick like a tick on a dog. I'm saying thick, like thick.
Thick.
Yes.
Right? Thick.
Yes. Thick.
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 Yeah, that's easy, yeah.
It's not tick. Tick and thick is two different things. Tick and thick is two different things.
I said tick.
You said tick.
Tick, that's what you just said. Thick.
No, it's yes, thick, not tick.
Thick.
Thick.
So I said that. Thick.
Thick. Yes.
Thick.
You retarded, bro.
Thick.
Okay, he got that one. He got that one. Say this H word right here.
Hypothesis.
Okay.
That's right?
Yeah.
Yeah, hypothesis.
Y'all, the other day he said something. He said something the other day. I was like, what the heck are you trying to say? Babe, how do you say it?
I don't know. I remember. I'm trying to say no.
Y'all, he was trying to figure out this word, and I was like, what are you talking about? He said hypothesis. Hypothesis. That's what he was saying, hypothesis. I was like, what the heck is a hypothesis? I was like, what? I said hypothesis.
Hypothesis.
Hypothesis. That's what he was saying. Hypothesis. That's what it was. I was like, what the heck is a hypothesis?
Because I was trying to remember what it was. The thing it's the only reason I got it just now because you just said it.
I know. That's why I was like, dang. Let him say it off the phone.
That was it.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, that was it.
That's how it works?
No.
We got more?
I got 3 more.
Yeah.
Say, y'all. Say this word right here. I'm gonna put it on the screen so y'all see. Say the top word.
What? Temper tantrum. Temper tantrum.
Temper tantrum.
Temper tantrum.
Temper. Say it louder so the people can hear you.
They can hear me loud and clearly. Temper tantrum.
Temper tantrum.
Temper tantrum.
Temper tantrum.
Temper tantrum.
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 Temper tantrum.
Temper tantrum.
Not tantrum. He said temper tantrum. Temper tantrum.
Temper tantrum.
Temper tantrum.
Temper tantrum. What? I'm saying the word. I'm saying the same thing you're saying.
Temper tantrum.
Temper. Say it.
Temper tantrum.
Temper tantrum.
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 Tantrum. Tantrum.
Temper tantrum.
You said tantrum.
What's the what I'm supposed to say?
Temper tantrum.
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 Yes.
Tantrum. Temper tantrum.
Temper tantrum. You saying it, you like putting the C in there like a chin, ch.
I just repeated it like 3 times. Like you said yes. I said it.
Okay, do it again.
Temper tantrum.
Okay, it's close enough. He ain't gonna get it, y'all. He gonna keep saying
temper tantrum.
It's close.
Temper tantrum.
Yes.
Okay, right?
Yes.
Temper tantrum.
Okay, we're gonna stop saying it before you say it wrong again. And then, okay, now say, we got 2 more, y'all. 2 more words. Say this word. I'm gonna put it on the screen so y'all see. The second word.
Comfortable.
The second word, babe. Well, yeah, that one. Say it again.
Comfortable.
Say it again.
Comfortable.
It's not comfortable. He said comfortable, like oui. CC.
What?
You said it like you French. Comfortable.
Comfortable.
Mademoiselle.
What?
Mademoiselle.
What?
It's comfortable.
Comfortable.
Not comfortable. How you say?
Comfortable.
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 Yes.
Comfortable.
It's not comfortable. Comfortable. You said it like it's. You said comfortable.
Comfortable, right?
It's comfortable.
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 Yes.
Comfortable.
What?
You just said comfortable.
Not comes.
You just said comfortable.
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 Yes.
Comfortable.
Yes.
Comfortable.
Yes.
That shit don't sound right.
That is what you be saying don't sound. What you be saying don't sound right. You said comfortable.
What you just said?
Comfortable.
You ain't say comfortable.
Yes, I did. Comfortable.
Comfortable. You didn't just say comfortable.
I did say that.
We gonna replay that shit. You ain't say comfortable.
I said it.
You said comfortable.
Yes, comfortable.
Comfortable?
Comfortable. Comfortable.
But you said listen, I said comfortable while you said yes. I know what you said.
Comfortable.
Comfortable. What?
Comfortable.
Comfortable. That's two different words, stupid.
No, it's not.
You ain't know that word yourself.
Comfortable.
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 Yes.
Okay? Comfortable.
Yes.
You just said comfortable. No, I said comfortable.
Comfortable. Yeah, it's comfortable.
You didn't know that really said. She trying to play me like I'm
no,
stupid. You the
not.
stupid one. You can't even teach me the right word.
But it's comfortable.
Comfortable.
Yes.
Comfortable.
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 Yeah, I got it. Comfortable. Trying to embarrass you, bro.
I can't stand you. Now say the second word.
Tree.
Say it again.
Tree.
It's not tree.
It's tree.
It's not tree.
It's tree.
It's three.
Tree.
1, 2, 3. Not tree. We're not talking about.
Well, you know what I mean, right? If I say that sentence, you know what I mean, right?
No.
I have tree.
Because you confuse me if you're talking about an actual tree or you're talking about the number
I have
3.
three Snicker bars, not the tree that was.
You be like, babe, go give me that number 3 over there. Or you be like, babe, go give me tree.
Yeah.
Give me a tree. You want a tree? You want a tree? You want me to go pick up a tree out the ground? You want me to go bring you a tree?
Obviously, I mean the word tree.
3.
1, 2, 3, tree.
3.
Tree.
3.
3.
3.
Tree.
3.
3.
3.
3.
3.
I ain't gonna say 3. Tree. I'm gonna say tree.
It's not tree.
Tree.
It's not tree.
3.
It's 3.
3.
3.
3. I ain't gonna say that because I ain't remember.
Y'all, this man's hilarious. Okay, guys, that was all the words I had. It's multiple words that Javon has said that I'm like, what are you saying? Like, they don't even sound like what you're trying to tell me. But I forgot them. They come spare the moment. So, babe, do you feel like you were educated?
No, hell no. You're the worst teacher ever in my life.
What do you mean?
Hey, first of all, you said comfortable. You couldn't even say the word comfortable right.
I said comfortable.
You had me say more than one word.
No, I didn't.
You said
yourself.
You said comfortable, then comfortable.
Comfortable.
But you said comfortable. Like,
comfortable. Comfortable. Comfortable.
You said comfortable and comfortable.
Comfortable.
Comfortable and comfortable. You said those both words. Which one is right?
Both.
Oh, somebody's ain't right?
No. You say comfortable. Ain't no boo in there.
Get your black ass out of here.
Ain't no boo in there.
Get your black ass out.
Okay, guys, we are done with this video. If you all like this video and if y'all want to see another part to this video, I don't know what other words I can.
Like I said, I'm on.
Whatever. That's because he's been around me for about 5 years, so he know how to say all the words correctly. But yeah, guys, anyways, we're gonna end the video right here. I hope you all like this video. Put laughing emojis in the comment section below if y'all like this video. Yeah, babe, what you got to say?
She trying to play me like I'm stupid.
No.
I nigga know all these words.
He don't know none of them words.
Yes, I do. Alright, anyways, man, make sure you guys like and subscribe and join us.
Peace.